Just as I was finishing my last sentence, walking up this alley that's right behind me, we see this beautiful archway. It's later on in the day now, we're approaching sunset, but anytime we're in the shadow and we have light fading in or kind of scraping inside, we have this beautiful, beautiful, what we call short lighting. So short lighting is anytime that you're shooting from the shadow side, and that's exactly what we're doing. I want to create a silhouette, and the iPhone is almost too good to allow me to do it. HDR is kicking in, and it's actually increasing the shadow so I can see everything, all of the details. Now, I don't want that, so I'm going to outsmart the iPhone and create a silhouette that I want. Let me show you how I'm going to do it. Now, I'm already vertical because it's a vertical archway. I'm going to swipe up where it says photo. Where you see those 3 circles, I'm going to click on that. That brings up my filters, and I'm going to swipe all the way to the left here until I see noir. I basically increase the contrast and reduce the color at the same time. I'm going to go to my 2.5 here, and what that's going to do is give me a much cleaner scene by taking this arch and filling the frame. Now, one last thing I want to do here, I want to tap and hold, and that's going to both lock exposure and focus on the brightest part of the image, making sure that doesn't blow out, but also giving me even a more contrasty scene by making the darks even darker. Now, there's a reason why no one is walking into the frame right now, is because they're right behind me. These are the people that were sitting on the bench, and I just kindly asked them, would you mind walking out of the frame for me so I can get this shot here? But we're gonna ask one of their children to kind of walk into the frame and use them as a subject. It looks like this kid has more energy than anybody, more energy than me. I don't even have to ask him to do anything. He's just gonna jump and dance around anyway. Okay, I think we got it, but the family's really invested in this. We're gonna try this one last time, and then we're gonna move on. Tres, dos, uno. See, run, 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 yeah! I think we totally got it there. Burst Mode was our biggest fan. I'm gonna say thank you to everybody right there. Gracias, gracias, gracias. That's the beauty of shooting on the streets of Mexico. Everyone is fun, everyone is friendly, everyone is so cool. And because you're a photographer, because you have the perfect excuse to explore your curiosity, you also have the perfect excuse to meet kind people like that and have such a good time with them. All right, let's keep on exploring. So literally just walking around the corner from where we were before, I don't even know how to describe this. It's like a mariachi that we saw in the plaza, but it's like a dance party at the same time, and they're just roaming the streets, and a whole bunch of people are following them. So I'm gonna follow too, and let's see what we can get here. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Hola, permiso, 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 permiso. Move on before the crowd. This is the best part.
De la mar, por aquí pueden pasar, los de delante corren mucho y los de atrás se quedarán. A la víbora de la mar, por aquí pueden pasar, los de delante corren mucho y los de atrás se quedarán. Una mexicana que cruza venía, ciruelas ya avanzaron, pero no sabía. Una mexicana que cruza venía, ciruelas ya avanzaron, pero no sabía. Verbena, verbena, la güera está bien buena. Verbena, verbena, y también la morena. Verbena, verbena, la güera está bien buena. Verbena, verbena, y también la morena. Campanita de oro, déjame pasar, con todas mis novias, menos tu papá. Campanita de oro, déjame pasar. de papas, será Perú, será sandía, será la fiesta del otro día. Campanita de oro, déjame pasar con todas mis novias, menos su papá. Campanita de oro, déjame pasar con todas mis novias, menos su papá. Será León, será San será la vieja del otro día.
¡Eso, amigo! ¡Venga! ¿Dónde está ese escándalo?
That is the craziest, coolest, wildest, most fun thing ever. Recorded the whole thing. I was literally inside the mariachi and everyone was so cool with that. I just can't even believe this. You can't plan this. You can't make it up. I'm gonna let them do their thing still, and we're gonna continue doing ours. This video was a free preview of my Capture It All online course. In this course, you'll discover how to use your iPhone to literally capture everything that's happening around you. We'll talk about composition, storytelling, timing, photographing people, recording videos, time lapses, flying a drone, and so much more. If you'd like to use your iPhone to its fullest potential, please take a look at the full version of Capture It All. You'll find the link in the description right next to this video. So click on that link right now and I'll see you inside the full version of the course.